Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to change your DNS setting on Windows, Linux, or Mac. Go to the control panel. In Network and Internet, click on View Network Status and Tasks. You will see some network icons here. Select the network you're currently connected to and click Ethernet. Select Properties. Click on IPv4 and select Properties. If Obtain DNS Server Address automatically is selected, tick the line Use the following DNS server addresses. Then, enter the DNS addresses you want to use. Select Advanced to enter multiple DNS servers. DNS servers using fields in the DNS tab. Click on OK and close. The easiest way to determine what DNS server you're using is via Windows command prompt. Click on Start. Search and open command prompt. Type the following command and hit enter. You'll get a lot of information. In the midst of all that information, you can see DNS servers listed. This is all added DNS. Typically, there are multiple servers that provide backup access if one fails to respond. To check DNS is being used, you type the following command. And as you see, DNS being used is 8.8.8.8. The DNS configurations are stored in a file named resolve.conf. Here is a step-by-step guide to change it. Type the following command. Add the lines for domain name servers you want to use. If you are using Nano to edit the file, press Ctrl X and then Y when it asks you to save the file. Next, you can install and use the dig command to check which DNS is in use. And as you see, DNS being used is 1.1.1.1. Go to the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Choose the Network Control Panel. Select your network interface from the left side, Ethernet for example. Click the Advanced button in the lower right corner of the network window. Choose the DNS tab at the top of the screen to edit, add, or remove DNS. When finished making changes to the DNS settings, click on the OK button. Now click on Apply for the DNS changes to take effect, close out of System Preferences as usual. Same as on Linux, you can open Terminal and run the dig command to check.